Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you have not been here, come on, let's catch up. Go ahead and watch my other first videos. I will be putting a link at the top. I'm not sure if it's one of these sides. I'll be putting the link up so you guys can go click there and just catch up. Today I'll be talking about the switch off with my aligners. I already switched them off. I've been wearing these for a week. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So November 26th, I actually switched them out from month 1 week 2 to month 1 week 3/4. I can't explain to y'all why they did that, but I want to tell you guys my experience since I didn't do it in this video. So the aligners that I got in right now, I have to wear these for 2 weeks. I'm in my second week wearing these, and I will be switching out next week Monday, and I will be actually putting a new video out on Wednesday. This video will be shorter, so keep up. Okay, so basically I want to tell you guys that these aligners are doing what it's supposed to be doing. These two teeth are moving in closer and closer every day. Look at my progress, y'all. Now don't get fooled. I still got the gaps going on there. That's what sucked. But other than that, look at them. I haven't been whitening using the whitener thing that they actually gave me. I wanted to wait for a minute until like I'm probably at the end of my progress, and I'll actually do that. So the feeling that I was getting when I first put these aligners in was more of a force in the bottom row to be pushed towards the left. And then there wasn't as much force at the top. It wasn't really much going on. But literally, like, the pain didn't even last a day for me. Like, the pain went away real fast. Within 3 days, these aligners start feeling loose. It's really not much I can tell you guys, because this, even though it's been about it's going to be 2 weeks. It's been a week. Yeah, so basically it's been about a week since I've been wearing these, but they did their job because they're moving my teeth. Those of you that's been following me, y'all know I had a big old gap here, and now that gap is closing in, y'all. I'm feeling like give me my can't nobody shut me up. Nah, not trying to be cocky, but the things that I really want to let you guys know is your lips. Keep the lip balm. My lips get crusty. Like I normally bite my lip to get the skin off, but now I have to pick it. It is so annoying, y'all. Like, that's the most torture that I'm going through right now with these aligners. But other than that, I am satisfied. My baby teeth, they're fine. I don't feel no pressure with that. Like I said, the pressure was about the same as month 1 week 2. So as of right now, I'm still just going through the process to see how everything goes. But other than that, I really don't have much to tell you guys. Just remember, I am a Smile Direct Club ambassador, and the link will be below. So if you want 50% off your kit, go ahead and hit the link and save the code that they give you. Once they give you that code, save it and submit it, and they'll tell you what else to do with that code, okay? So until next time, I'll see y'all on the next video.